So AI mockup app, it's called HEXA. So let's try upload your design instantly, preview it on product, get realistic feel before you go to print. So this is the app to do it. So here you can see different mockup styles like food, business, sports, lifestyle, beauty, tech, print. So yeah, in case you are selling some stuff online, you have marketplace, Shopify, web store, Instagram. You can use this kind of apps to just get a preview or even create like half professional images to just generate it. So here you see it like that, and then select or take your photo, and then yeah, you can then just upload some kind of logo or some image. So let's just select some mock-up image, like some default image from here. So for example, I have this default image, and then let's see how this logo. All right, so unfortunately, yeah, and then at least you're having some nice discount. So $20 per year for this app, really good deal. As you can see, I didn't upgrade the first time, and now it offers me these nice deals which you can use. But yeah, unfortunately, Hexa only gives you one free credit to do that. So yeah, so I'm just looking for the apps. So yeah, you can see that Hexa app. This is the app which you can use. So there you have it.